Good morning. Myself Guruswami K, Assistant Professor in Physics. Now I am going to deliver a lecture on statistical mechanics. This is the 9th lecture. In this lecture, I am going to explain the probable questions may appear in the examination. Here, the topics covered are 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions, and 3 marks questions. Recap of previous sessions. Basic concepts of statistical mechanics, in that MB distribution law, BE distribution law, FT distribution law, their derivations, and Planck's law of radiation from BE distribution law. Learning objectives of this session: to check the ability of students. Secondly, based on the performance, classify the student as slow learners and fast learners. Session outcomes. From this session, we can measure the weakness of the students. Conducting remedial classes and additional tests for slow learners. Encourage the fast learners to solve conceptual questions. Lastly, motivate the fast learners to participate in minor research activities. Now I am going to mention the possible questions may appear in the examination. Firstly, 2 marks questions. First question is, what is a microscopic state? Give examples. Here definition carries 1 mark and examples, at least 2 examples carries 1 mark. Write a note on thermodynamic probability. A brief note on thermodynamic probability. What is thermodynamic probability? With an example, a brief explanation should be given. Define macro state, give examples. Again, definition carries 1 mark and example, at least 2 examples carries 1 mark. Next question is, write the MB distribution function and graphically represent it for 2 different temperatures with temperatures T1 greater than T2. Next question is, calculate the number of ways in which 20 identical but indistinguishable particles can be distributed into 10 boxes. A simple problem may ask connected with the MB statistics. Calculate the number of ways in which 20 identical indistinguishable particles can be distributed into 10 boxes. This is done by using BE statistic. Next, write the BE distribution function and graphically represent it for 2 different temperatures with the T1 greater than T2. Next question is, write the FT distribution function and graphically represent it for 2 different temperatures with T1 greater than T2. 9th question is, write a brief note on phase space. Here we have to discuss what is phase space. Then we have to explain the element in phase space and constancy of volume in the phase space. Write a explanatory note on postulates of statistical mechanics. A brief note on postulates of statistical mechanics carries 2 marks. Next, classify the following particles as bosons and fermions. Here the particles given are electron, proton, neutron, alpha particles, meson, phonon, photon, ditron, and gluons. Okay, among these particles we have to classify as bosons and fermions based on their spins. Distinguish between microstate and macrostate of a system. At least 2 differences you should mention for this question. Distinguish between MB and BE statistics. Similarly, distinguish between MB and FD statistics. Lastly, write the expressions for MB, BE, and FD statistics. That is for number of particles distributed. Okay, expression for these cases MB, BE, and FD statistics. These are the possible 2 marks questions may expected in the examination. Next, 4 marks questions. First question is derive the statistics obeyed by bosons. That is Bose-Einstein statistics derivation. Derivation for number of particles distributed in the given energy state, or up to you may has for distribution function, BE distribution function. Obtain the expression for BE distribution function. Obtain Planck's law of radiation using BE statistics. Here we are going to deduce Planck's law by using BE statistics. Compare MB, BE and FD statistics. Next question is derive the statistics obeyed by fermions, that is FD statistics. Obtain the expression for FD distribution function. Okay. Here a small difference between these two. Derive the statistics obeyed by fermions means up to number of particles, that is Ni, belongs to the energy state Ei. Okay, that can be derived in this fifth question. The sixth question up to Fermi-Dirac distribution function we have to derive. So the possible 4 marks questions will appear in the examinations. Next main is 3 marks questions. Here the problem part. First one is calculate the number of ways in which an identical, indistinguishable and mutually exclusive particle can be distributed into 15 boxes. This belongs to FD statistics. Next one is assuming that there is no limit on number of particles occupying a box, calculate the number of ways in which 10 identical, indistinguishable particles can be distributed into 5 boxes. This also belongs to this BE statistics. There is a collection of 5 coins of same face value. Macro state of this collection is represented by capital T, where T is the number of coins showing tails. Then list the microstates corresponds to T equal to 4 and calculate the total number of microstates for the state T is equal to 3. And is the state T equal to 6 physically possible? These are some questions may ask connected with this. Okay, these type of problems we expect in the examination. These are the suggested references for these questions connected with statistical physics or statistical mechanics. Thank you.